Okay, this is an HP Pavilion laptop, or more like say the HP Pavilion notebook. It is the 2016 model. It comes with a Core i7 processor and a GeForce GTX GPU. Sorry. It also has a nice finish and design, and the touchpad is the little more advanced edition. So I will be opening up this laptop here, and I will be cleaning up the internal components. First, let's remove the battery. A lot of work for the battery though. It's a bit stuck. Okay, this is the HP K14 rechargeable battery here. Okay, now since we have the battery out, we won't experience any problems with the computer turning on, turning off. It's best to keep the computer off while doing these kind of stuff. Okay, so we have removed the back cover of this PC, and as you can see, these are the internal components, the hard drive, which you can remove. It's not easy in this one. It's tightly packed. Okay, the hard drive is removed, and it's whatever these are. And these are the RAMs. This is a 1 second. Kingston 8 GB DDR3 RAM with another Micron 4 GB DDR3 RAM. As you can see, this is the CPU fan, which is quite dirty. So I'll be cleaning that now. So I have done cleaning up the system, so I'm going to put everything back how it was before. Okay, so now I'm gonna check if it works properly now. I've inserted the battery and all. So let's try it. Yep, it seems to work. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Um, if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. And if you want some more videos about computer cleaning and restorations, please check out JC Gaming Official for more. Thank you very much.